Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to Python for InfoSec course. This is the video number 8 and in this video we are going to see list. So list data structure in Python provides an excellent way for storing arrays of objects in Python. They allow us to store sets of information in one place for few items or hundreds of items. It is collection of items such as phone numbers, names of all the people in your family, fruits you like, etc. Let's create a list of fruits you like. For list we use a square bracket. Let's enter mango. Two objects are separated by the commas. Apple, watermelon. Okay, this is our list. Let's print it. Print fruits. Okay, this is our list. We can also access particular elements from a list, such as fruits of 1. We'll give the item of that location. Just like a string, the list also starts with the 0. So mango is at a 0th position, banana is at first position. Now to calculate the length of a list, we use len fruits. It will give the length of a list. We can also modify a particular element from a list, such as fruits. Let's change the third to the pineapple. Let's print the list. Okay, so it changed the watermelon to a pineapple. Let's create another list of numbers. Numbers 22, 22, 232. 452. Okay, let's print those numbers. Right, we can also append a particular element to the list using an append function. So numbers dot append 564. Let's print the list. Okay, so 564 is appended using an append function. We can also sort the list using numbers dot sort. Right, now print the list. Okay, so all numbers are sorted. We can also insert element at a particular position. For example, let's enter numbers dot insert at second position 677. Let's print the list. Okay, as we can see, at the second position we have entered number 677, and once again list start from 0. So 22 is at the 0th position, 102 is at the first position, 677 is at the second position, and so on. We can also delete particular element from a list by using delete numbers. Let's delete from a first position. Let's print the list. As we can see, 102 from a first position has been deleted. And we can also remove by giving a value such as numbers dot remove. If you want to remove 677, just put the value, then print the numbers. Okay, so 677 is removed from the list. We can construct list of any data type, and as we saw earlier, there are built-in methods for appending, inserting, removing, counting, etc. Let's create a new list. Let's create first string, after that 22, then 45.4, then Vikram. Okay, let's print the list. Okay, so as we can see, there are elements from different data types. Okay, so that's it for this video. And if you want to solve exercises and read the text version of this video, then please visit this link. Thank you.